And fiada. Today is Friday and I have a question for you. What was the feeling for you when you saw my face here for the first time? Surprise? Happiness? Or maybe you felt shy for me? Thank you. Or maybe you just felt angry. What is this guy doing here? But whatever the feeling was, wouldn't it be cool to know how to say them in she? It would, right? Yeah, so you are in luck. That is our topic for today. We are looking at feelings or emotions in she. And it starts right after this. Hi guys, this is Yao here with yet another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. I hope you are doing well. I am doing very well. Thanks for asking. So today we are looking at feelings or emotions in she. Alright? And much later we are going to employ the list to be covered in this lesson to actually ask people how they are feeling. Okay? And also answer those questions in the Common Twi Expressions series. But for this lesson, we are just looking at the vocabulary list and then we are done. So, if you are ready, join me and let's start. Let's start with anger. Let's do away with anger so that we can focus on the others, alright? So, for anger, we have ABUFUO, 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 ABUFUO. Alright, and the bu here is actually from bo, which is your chest. Alright, so we have bu and then we have fu, which is to grow. So in effect you are saying your chest sort of grew. You get it, right? Okay. The second one on our list is AHUMMOBORO. AHUMMOBORO. Ahujuri. Okay, and then we have eniha. Okay, and the next one on our list is AKOKOODURO. And for this one, the kokoo here is actually another chi name for chest. You're having a lot of chest today, right? So kokoo is also chest, okay? And dru is from dru, which is heavy, all right? So it's like you have a heavy chest. You get it, right? Okay. And the next one on our list is enibre. Enibre, or ahumoya. So we have hum, which is self, body, skin, right? And then we have ya from eya or oyao, which is pain. So it's like your skin is paining you. So we actually have a Ghanaian English for this. It's called skin pain. Okay, all right. The next one is ehum. Okay, and then we have time. So for this one, the o is actually a nominal prefix. So that is the prefix that forms a noun out of the verb time. Okay, so when we say time is to hate. So when you bring the o, which is a nominal prefix, you get the noun form hatred. All right, so time. The next one is ayemye. And for this one, we have yem, which is your stomach. And then we have ye, which is good. All right, so it's like you have a good stomach. And again, we have a nominal prefix a to put them all together to become the noun kindness. All right, so we have ayemye. Our next one is odo, odo, odo. Again, for this one, we have the nominal prefix o, just like we had in otime, all right? So we have odo. O is the nominal prefix, and then the verb here is do, which is to love. So when you bring the nominal prefix, it forms the noun form of love, love, all right? So we have odo, odo, odo. The next one is AHUMMOBORO, 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 all right? And then we have AHANTAN, AHANTAN, AHANTAN. The next one is NUHO, 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 or AHUNNU, 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 all right? And then we have se, me, ko, me, nya, pese, menko, minya, pese, menko, minya, pese, menko, minya, pese, menko, minya. So the pe here is to like, all right? And then se is that, okay? And then me is the pronoun I, okay? And then we have nko, which is alone. And then me again, I. And then nya is to get. Okay, so it's like to like that you alone gets. You get it, right? Yeah. Pe, se, men, ko, me, nya. Pe se men kuminya. Pe se men kuminya. The next one is ni, wu. Any woo, any woo. And for this one, any is the I, and then woo is to die. All right, so it's like your eyes died. And then we have FERE, 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 FERE. Okay, and for this one, we have a nominal suffix. Okay, so the you see at the end actually forms a noun out of the verb FERE. So to sort of be shy is FERE, FERE. Okay, so you have FERE as the noun. FERE. Mwa, 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 mwa. And then we have AREHUO, 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 AREHUO. And we end on a happy note with enijie, enijie, enijie. So again, the eni here is the I, okay? And then we have j, which is to take or to collect, all right? So Ghanaians sometimes play around with this in English by going like, my eyes collect, okay? My eyes collect to mean I am happy. So this is like a literal translation of the Twi version, many aje. All right, so I am happy. Many aji. All right, and all too soon we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you may want to do so before you leave. And please be sure to check out our website www.learnakan.com for the text version of this and other lessons. And if you need to look up a word in Twi, you can always visit www.mytwidictionary.com and we'll have you covered. Hope to see you next time.